Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good there. So today we're gonna talk about the best 4 methods of making money online for beginners. So if you're new here, please do like and subscribe this channel for the most legit and possible ways of making money. There's no fakeness and there's a transparency between you and our team. So let's get straight to the topic. So the first way of making money is from the website that we're going to tell you about. The first website is Studypul.com. It is a very simple website that it is basically for the students who are studying or who are pursuing their education in their institutions or any type of high schools. If you see here it is written sell docs. You have to click here. And plus you have to sign up that, and I have a desired video of money of Studypul on my YouTube channel. Please visit it if you want to learn more about that, how you can make money from this website. And it is a great method of making websites because in this website you just need to sell your notes. You don't even need to sell, you just have to post it, and there are millions of students searching for that notes that definitely will buy from you. So the second method or the second website for the earning money online is Cambly, www.cambly.com. It is for the private English tutors that who are very good at English. You can teach to other students and will get paid for the same. And the third website we're going to talk about is Facebook Marketplace. Yes. If you don't know, the Facebook Marketplace is getting bigger nowadays. Not like Amazon or Flipkart, but it has a higher potential of getting sales as early as possible. Because I have also tried this and I have also made some money, and you can do it too. And I also have the video on my YouTube channel. You can also visit and can watch the video too. And the fourth method of making money is the video editing. Yes, it is the most easiest way of making money online. So the question arises that how will you find customers? And the answer is that from Facebook groups. Yeah, so come over on the groups option on the Facebook and search the group of a desired niche. Like if I'm going to sell, if I want to make a video editing, you can visit any of the group, but I mostly visit on the YouTube channel promotion or any of the groups dealing with the video editing stuff. And you can see that there are 110k members. Like, you can get a lot from here, so you don't need to do any type of promotions or nothing. You just need to post a template here about your promotions, about your service that you're gonna give. So these are some methods which I just taught you, that how you can make the money in 4 different ways and the 4 easiest and legit ways. So if you got some value from this video, please do subscribe and like this channel, and please do share it. Thank you very much.